So now finally it's time that we start working on actually understanding what a neural network actually is and how it actually works from its very basics.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Okay, so now in this particular lecture, let's start about what the basic building blocks of a neural network called a neuron actually are. Okay, so now in programming, neurons are this small logical gateway or logical junction which can take in multiple inputs. So let's say this is the input 1, let's call it I1, and we have an input 2, let's call this I2, and now we have a third input and this is I3. Okay, and the task of this particular neuron is to take all of these inputs and give a corresponding output. Okay, so according to the program which is written for a neural network, it is actually a very basic concept. So you just have a lot of inputs and then you have a corresponding output. So this is the very basic building block of what modern neural networks or even what modern machine learning or artificial intelligence actually is. And the inspiration for the neuron was actually taken from a nerve cell or a neuron which is present inside the human nervous system. And if you can see over here, this structure is kind of analogous to this one. Okay, so now over here, this neuron also has a lot of dendrites over here in order to connect to other neurons. So this is the place where it will take the multiple inputs and then it has this processing, it has this central nucleus part which actually processes all the data. It takes in all the inputs and then it has a corresponding output channel over here. So all of these terminals actually connect to the dendrites of further neurons, and that is how the electrical impulse actually travels ahead. Okay, so in our case also we have 3 inputs and we have 2 outputs. Okay, so now in a neuron which is enabled in programming, you actually have the same output which is mirrored on all of the output channels. Okay, so this neuron will further be connected to other neurons. So let's first name this neuron as N1. Okay, and then it will be connected on to many other neurons which are together, which will be called a neural network. And a very amazing thing which you can notice over here is that how such a simple block can actually correspond to many advancements in AI. Okay, so this small neural junction or a neuron actually is the main reason why you have AI bots playing games and even defeating a lot of humans in a lot of esports. Then these neurons are the reason why you have natural language processing actually existing on a very good accuracy or good scale. Then you have image classifiers. So if you want to teach a computer how to recognize an image, which we will be doing shortly in the MNIST database section, then you have to use a neuron as well. So you feed in the image pixels over here and then it gives you the output. Okay, so this is basic of how a neuron actually works or what a neuron actually is. And now in the next lecture, let's focus on what weights actually are.